Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about employable skill development. That is, in the employable skill development, we'll just discuss about Venn diagrams. So, what is Venn diagrams? So, a Venn diagram is a diagram that uses circles to demonstrate the connections between items or finite groupings of things. Intersecting circles have similar features, but non-overlapping circles don't. Venn diagrams are useful for visualizing the similarities and contrasts between two concepts. They have long been acknowledged for their value as instructional aids. Venn diagrams have been utilized in introductory logic curriculums and elementary level instructional strategies over the world since mid 12th century. And let's see the applications of Venn diagrams. Venn diagrams are used to show how elements connect to one another in relation to the larger background, data sets, or environment. Let us consider two businesses in same sector. One part where circles of diagram overlap shows the items offered by both companies, that is when the circles overlap, and the items that are unique to company, that is in outer circle, that do not intersect or do not be in contact between the two diagrams. Despite their simplicity, Venn diagrams can be used to visualize a wide variety of complex relationships and concepts. They are commonly used in statistics to represent relationships between different data sets. You can see the different applications of Venn diagrams in other aspects of study as well. Overall, the simplicity of Venn diagrams have been made them a valuable tool for organizing and communicating complex ideas in a wide range of fields. And so we have two types of Venn diagram. One is basic relation. In this type, Venn diagram reasoning, general relations will be given and the candidates need to find the best Venn diagrams for those relations. Next, geometrical relation. In this type of Venn diagram reasoning, some relations are given in geometrical form and the candidates need to find the best logical Venn diagrams for these relations. Next, you can just see how we have to solve the Venn diagrams reasoning questions. So, this is n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. This set is disjoint. So, here when n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. So, this first rule will be will be using only we don't have any intersections. So n of A intersection B is when n of A intersection B is null, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. Null is nothing but it's an empty set. So n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C. So the Venn diagram of two sets A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B. So the number of A and B here is unknown. So A union B, that is, will be representing like this. N of A intersection C is common in between. Intersection is nothing but common between A and B. We'll be calling that as intersection. So next, just we'll solve this problem. You'll be able to understand. So study the diagram given below and answer each of the following questions. So you have a triangle, you have a circle and you have a rectangle. So this triangle represents person who takes tea. The circle represents the person who takes coffee. So the rectangle represents the person who takes wine. So they have represented it diagrammatically. So the question here is how many persons who take tea and wine but not coffee? So this is the question. The person, any how many number of person who will take both tea and wine, but they'll not take any coffee. So what is the symbolic representation of coffee? That is circle. So tea is triangular and wine is rectangular. You should not include what? You should not include the elements in this circle. That is the it should be common for taking tea and wine, but it should not be included in coffee. Okay, so the circular should not be included, but you should note down that the number should be between the triangular and the rectangular. So your answer will be 17. So here, see, this is your triangle. This is the person who takes tea. This is the person who takes wine. So this 17 number count, right? This is in between these two intersections. So this is the number of person who takes tea and wine, but not coffee. Because coffee is included. First, whenever they are asking question like this, how many number of person who takes all the three? So at that time, your answer will be 15, right? So this 15 is in between triangular, square, and rectangle. Sorry, triangular, rectangle, and circle. So this is the next question. How many persons take wine? And this is a simple question. How many person in total take wine? You can just refer this diagram. So wine is, what is wine is? Rectangle, right? So how many person takes wine is the question. So the answer is 122 persons from here take wine. You have to just add it. Add these fully. 20 plus 17 plus 15 plus 30 plus 40. So this is total number of person who takes wine. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.